Coming on to exercise 1.1, the first question requires us to express each as a product of prime factors. Now factors I have already told you are numbers which will completely divide these. But what are prime factors? Prime factors means only prime numbers have to be used. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, such numbers only we have to use to divide this completely, or we have to find factors, only prime factors. Okay, so you already know this, you have been doing this for the last 3-4 years, so not very difficult. So 140, so how to go in for this? 140, first of all you see whether it is an even number or an odd number. How will you identify whether it is an even number? The units place is 0, it is an even number, so this will divide by 2. Please divide it by 2. I am waiting. 2 sevens are 14, 0 comes as it is. Again a prime number, again divisible by 2, divided by 2, 2 threes are 6, 1 carry, 2 fives are 10. Is it not? Very simple. Again, now it is an odd number, cannot be divided by 2. What is the next prime number that comes into our mind? 3. Is it divisible by 3? How to check for divisibility by 3? Most of you know it. Add both these numbers. 5 plus 3, 8. Is 8 divisible by 3? No. That means this number is not divisible by 3. If you can recall the divisibility test by 3, what was the divisibility test? Can anyone tell me? Yes, if the sum of the numbers is divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. So the sum of numbers is 8, not divisible by 3. So 35 is not divisible by 3. Move on to the next number. What is the next number? 5. So 5 appears at the unit place. So this number will be divisible by 5. So we divide it by 5 and we know our tables. 5 sevens are 35, 7 and we get 1. Very easy. So we can write 140 is equal to product of prime into 5 into 7, and it is better to put it in the exponential form, that is 2 times 2 is appearing, so it is 2 square into 5 into 7. Okay, so the next is 156. Again you see this is an even number, divided by 2, 2 sevens are 14, carry 1, 2 eights are 16. Okay, do it step by step. Those of you who can do it at a faster speed, please do it. We'll check the answers at the end. Divide by 2 again, because this is an even number again. 2 threes are 6, carry 1, 9s are 18. Now odd number, not divisible by 2. Then what to do? Check in for 3. 9 plus 3 is what? 12. 12 comes in the table of 3. Yes. So this number will be divisible by 3. If you know your tables, you know that 13 threes are 39, and when I divide it by 13, I get 1. So prime factors of 156 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Not difficult at all. Okay, coming on to the next question, 3825. So first we have to check whether it is divisible by 2 or not. It is not. Why? Because it is an odd number. What about checking it by 3? Then the next prime number that comes to our mind after 2 is what? 3. So for 3, what do? Add up all the digits. How? 8 plus 2, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is the sum. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. That means this number can be divided by 3 completely. So divided by 3, 3 ones are 3. So if I divide the next number by 3, so it is 3 twos are 6, 2 as the remainder, 3 sevens are 21, 1 as the remainder, and 3 fives are 15. You can do it very easily. Otherwise, you can also write it down in rough and find out the answer. Again, it can be divided by 3. So 3 fours are 12. Agreed? 3 twos are 6. Remainder is 1. 3 fives are 15. If you do it systematically and slowly, you find out that maths is not difficult. In fact, it is the easiest subject. You don't have to mug up anything. You already know all of this. You just have to apply it. Okay, so next, is this divisible by 3 again? Should I try? So 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11. 11 not divisible by 3. So next what number will we have in our mind? 5. Why? Because unit place is having 5. So 5 eights are 40. You are left with 2. 5 fives are 25. Again, unit place has a 5 digit. So you can divide it by 5 again. So 5 ones are 5. You are left with 3. 5 sevens are 35. And now this is the easiest, divided by 17, because 17 is a prime number, it does not have any factor only. So you can write it as 3825. If you wanted to write as the product of prime factors, 3 is appearing 2 times, so it is 3 square. 5 is appearing 2 times, so it is 5 square, and 17 is appearing only 1 time, so there's no point in writing 1 power here, so it is just 17. Okay, so coming on to the next question, 5005. Now what do? Check this is an even number or an odd number. Odd number, no point in dividing by 2. It will not only divide completely. What about 3? 5 plus 5, 10, not divisible by 3 completely. What about 5? Yes, 5 if you divide it by 5, you get 1, 0, 0, 1. Possibly the easiest. Then after 5, what is the next number? Prime number? 7. Let us divide it by 7 say. So 7 ones are 7, carry 3, 7 fours are 28, carry 2, 7 threes are 21. It divided completely. Now what about next? It won't divide by 7. If you remember your tables, it will be very easy for you. Otherwise, next 7 ke baad what is the next number? 11. Check for divisibility for 11. What is the check for divisibility for 11? Find the sum of even places, find the sum of odd place digits, subtract both of them. If they come out to be 0 or multiples of 11, the number is divisible by 11. Remember, or have you forgotten it? Okay, so I tell you this is divisible by 11. So 11 ones are 11, you're left with 3, 11 threes are 33. Now 13, you very well know that this is a prime number, so not divisible by any number except itself. So this is 13. So I write down the factors as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Easy? Very, very easy. Then the next one, The next question is 7429. So just by looking at it, you can make out that it is not divisible by 2. So this is not divisible by 3 as well. So you keep on trying and you will see that this is divisible by 17 and you get 437 on dividing it by 17. You can do it by the long division method, or if you remember the table for 17 multiples of 17, if you can find out, that was also easy. Otherwise dividing you will get the answer. Then it is further not divisible by 17, so you see it is divisible by 19. On dividing it by 19, you get 19 2s are 38 and 3. Again 23 is a prime number, you know, so further not divisible. So the factors of 7429 is 17 into 19 into 23. Okay. So are you clear with the prime factorization, how to express each as a product of prime factors? In case you have any doubts, you can clear it up by posting your doubts in the comments.